I'm up early, ready for my run. Nonu's already in the kitchen, starting to cook. Look at all the bacon, a ham, hash browns. First things first, gotta get this long run done. Oh dang. I finished my 10 miles. I ran 7:21 pace and it was really good. I ended up doing like 5-mile loops throughout neighborhoods, and then I ran the rest of my mileage along the beach. When I hit 8.64, I had such a stabbing side cramp and I was like, should I just do 9 miles today? It said semi-normal long run on the paper, but then I was like, you've literally made it this far, freaking go 10 miles. So I called my dad and I was like, what's everyone doing at home? Should I come home or can I keep running? And he was like, I'm out on a run, finish your mileage. So I did the full 10, and now it's time to get all showered up, changed up, and celebrate Easter. I come back after an hour of running and look at what Nanu's done. Monkey bread, the bacon, all the quiche and sausages. What are you doing, Gio? We're not competing yet. Oh my gosh! That one's yours. This is so cute.
Oh, dang.
Sheesh. Mom and I are gonna be twins. Oh my gosh. I love it.
Thank you.
This is amazing.
Ready for space.
Oh yes. Your perfume. Thank you so much. This is so cute. Thanks, Mom. Call it back.
Why do you get a head start?
Because I'm W. Okay.
Easter basket haul. So, starting off strong, have a new pair of Lulu leggings. My mom has the same ones, so I can twin with her. Then, a little bit of Mighty Patches. Easter Bunny's so good at being functional. And let's see. The rest, oh yes, other big thing, new perfume. It says, Valentino expected delivery Wednesday 4/12, which is my favorite all-time perfume. So that's in the mail, and then the rest of it is all little snacky things. So I have some Skinny Pop, some colorful Twizzlers, haven't tried these, definitely want to see how they are, some Pop-Tarts, Nerd Clusters, and Watermelon Sour Patch Kids, and then a bunch of little cookies. These are going to be so fun to take to school. And finally, in all of the Easter eggs, the best mix. Where's the... Oh, yeah, so there was Nerd Clusters, Sour Mini Gummy Worms, and Laffy Taffies. That's my favorite candies of all time. And then, of course, a few dollars. But super fun Easter morning.
So I need it. I don't need those.
Backgammon with Nanu.
Jesus. So I can't even do the two. I can't do the one or the two, right?
Bread.
So what do I get?
Oh, it's really good. Where's Gio? Is this bacon? Easter Bunny came.
That's bacon, yeah.
Alrighty, happy Easter. Nanu gets every family a 2-pound box of these candy. So we're gonna open it and see what we got. Like we didn't just pick it out the other day on camera.
Better be my favorite.
But this is Mom's favorite candy, so we kept that in mind. It's so loaded. So these are Dad's, all the Bordeaux are Mom's, and Gio got the chocolate caramels. And then on the next level, it's literally all Bordeaux. You're here!
Gigi, alright, everybody look this way. On your marks. Get set.
Nasty!
On your marks, get set, go!
Oh my god.
I already got one.
They're not easy. I'm telling you right now, there won't be like super simple ones. You're gonna have to hunt. You guys are over 5 years old now.
I almost dropped it. Oh, dang it.
Luca, how many do you have? Oh, he got one. He got one. I was wondering if anybody was gonna find that one. That was good, Luca. I thought that was a harder one. Gee, come on, girl.
G. Gianna Marie.
Yeah! I need to hurry up.
Anybody got 5 yet?
No. I don't even have one, bro.
I got 4.
Dude, I was so scared. I was so scared. I was scared. No. I saw this one, and as I'm grabbing it, there's one hiding in there, and I was like, I gotta get you.
Shannon.
Dang.
Lola, how many you got?
It's the most beautiful beach day, so us girls drove right down to the beach to lay out and tan, and the boys are walking down with their surfboards, so we'll just sit out here and watch them surf. Here comes Luca, running up with his board. What'd you say?
That we killed it already.
I know. Luca, you could have got that! He was so close. He was on top of the wave. Gio's going in, no wetsuit. Go catch some waves. Whole fam walked down to visit. Alrighty, we're done at the beach. It got a little bit windy and cold, so we're going back to Nani's house. I'm gonna lay out in the front yard and get some ices later.
Yeah.
We'll see you there. Sun-kissed skin so hot, we'll melt your popsicle. Nanu loved our carpool karaoke.
Hi, baby.
We're off to Icy.
Yes.
We got our ices.
Is that it?
Is it in the car?
Hey, chill.
We are walking down to Capitola to go window shop right now. We just parked by Privates and we're walking down to Capitola. After the storm that hit Santa Cruz, the Capitola Wharf got split in half. Leah found a little spot to sit and swing her legs from the ruins of the storm. We had a long walk back to the car, but we almost made it. It has been such a fun Easter. I actually have to leave very soon though because I have school and practice tomorrow, so I'm going home early. Family picture time. How's this working?
This is gonna work just fine.
Boom.
Alright, we'll go. 1, 2.
See if we can get us all.
Okay. I get you all in.
Oh, that is.
Yep.
Hi.
Came out great.
Mom and I are on our way back to Fresno, but I asked her my one request is one last stop at Pleasure Pizza because we're gonna go without it for months. I'm crying on the inside. Pleasure Pizza is closed for Easter. I walked up with a few other people. They came to the same realization. Very sad. We are now home from Santa Cruz. We had the best weekend spending time with our family over on the coast and just getting to celebrate the resurrection of Christ and all that means for us and just walking in freedom in a relationship with our Heavenly Father. So it's super special. I literally love this holiday. It's probably my favorite. And just getting to spend it with family is like cherry on top. I go back to school tomorrow and practice and all the things. Normal life begins again. So I will see you in the next vlog. Thank you guys. I hope you had a wonderful Easter and love you.